So I recently got this Raspberry Pi laptop kit that turns into a really handy computer during these times when we're all learning to work remotely. It has a 13-inch screen and a light but solid plastic body. For the actual brains of the operation, it uses a board to control the hardware, and that attaches with some screws that are threaded into the underside. This plugs into the battery pack and is tightened with these little bolts on the underside. I'm doing the same thing for the Raspberry Pi itself. There's one trick to this whole project, and that is to install the updated software version, otherwise the screen doesn't work. You have to use a program called Etcher to flash the microSD card, and I'll put a link to all this in the description. Once this is complete, I put the SD card into the Raspberry Pi and then attach it to the frame. It's a lot easier than trying to fit the SD card when the Pi is already attached to the base. It's then about connecting the correct wires to the boards. This will let the computer speak to the keyboard, mouse, and screen. After that, you just snap in the top of the keyboard and attach the magnetic strips in the back to hide the screws. What I really like about this is the piece of transparent acrylic, so you're able to see the LEDs light up when the computer's working and what the connections look like. Then all we have to do is turn it on, upgrade it, and we're ready to work from home anywhere we want. It'll run through a couple systems, and that's basically the internal workings of a Raspberry Pi as a computer. As we can see, we have the Pi here, and all of the components control the keyboard, mouse, and screen. Cool, and all we need to do is have it run through these updates, and we've got a cheap mobile laptop that we can take with us anywhere and be 2 meters away from everybody. Now, for other cool projects, come check out the next video on some really cool 3D printing that we've got going on. See you there.